Good day. Today, I will make Biko. First, the ingredients will be 1 1/2 cups glutinous rice or pilit in Bisaya. 1 cup muscovado sugar. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. And 1/2 teaspoon salt. And freshly grated coconut or 4 cups coconut milk. First, extract the coconut milk by putting hot water to the coconut that is grated. If it is hot, wait for it to cool down. But if it is lukewarm, massage it while it is not that hot. Then, use 2 hands to massage it. Then squeeze the grated coconut and to extract the coconut milk. When it is done, squeeze the grated coconut to extract the coconut milk. Squeeze and strain the coconut to remove the grated coconut. Then next, measure the coconut milk to know that it is exactly what the amount of milk needed. And if it is lacking, add hot water to the grated coconut which is extracted before and repeat the process or twice. Then, second step, prepare the glutinous rice into the caldero or rice cooker and wash it twice. And I am using 1 1/2 cup of rice, so I'll pour 1 1/2 water. Then, cook the rice for 20 to 30 minutes or even until it is cooked. After cooking the rice, put the rice into the rice platter and set it aside to cool. And lastly, in the karahay, put the coconut milk and boil it for 10 minutes or until the oily mixture will come out from the coconut. After 10 minutes, pour the muscovado sugar into the coconut milk. Then mix it. And keep on stirring. When coconut milk and the muscovado sugar are well mixed already, pour then the salt and mix it well. After pouring the salt into the muscovado and coconut milk, pour the ginger. And stir until it will be thickened. As we can see, the latte is already thickened, so let us add rice into the latte. Then mix it with the latte and rice. And continue mixing until the latte will be thickened and the rice will be already soaked with the latte. Then mix well until its consistency will be like pasta. If the latte and rice is still not observing its taste, don't stop mixing or stirring because it will stick into the pan. As you can see, it is already cooked, so serve it into the bowl or rice platter. If we have banana leaves at home, we can line it into the baking tray and serve it. Then, transfer it into a rice platter or the serving bowl which is lined by banana leaves. And this is my finished product, Biko. It is best to be partnered with choco drink and be sprinkled with desiccated coconut. And if you prefer cheese or any toppings you prefer, it can be. After cooling for 20 minutes, slice it into pieces which will be served at the serving plate. And serve it into a service plate. Yummy. So delicious.
I will try your what you cook. Good. I never thought that ginger could work well. This Biko. I never tasted Delish. It's good.